We're about to embark on a different adventure, like my dream is about to come true. First of all, make sure you like, subscribe, follow the journey. And this channel will be great. That's my setup. I don't stream, not yet at least. I had a vision, a dream, and I went for it. And I'm about to take you guys with me. I mean, it's in the middle of the process, but you know, you guys don't care about the chit chat still. Regardless, make sure you go like, comment,
Look out, look out. Look out, run that back. 21, 21, look out, look out, look out, look out, look out. Rep, pop, pop, whole lot loud when we pull that out. 16 on lock. Skirt, skirt, engine scream, can't be stopped. Pull up to the shop, yeah, the door stay wide.
here. And this is my humble beginnings. It's my humble beginnings, you know. It's my shop behind us, which is, I don't know if you guys can see me properly, but this is my entire yard. Yeah. And I'm gonna show you guys around because there's a lot of stuff here that you guys might like, that we might like, and you know, y'all might like. So for one, this is my Mustang. I mean, obviously y'all got, you know this, but its entire front yard here is gonna be our basketball court, which our backboard is here and it's busted, but we're gonna fix that. You know. But for now, let's just let me take you guys inside to show you guys around a little bit, and slide the door. Here's us. We got our water tank. We got our sink. We got our couches. This is a little bit chill area. We're gonna put the hoist somewhere in the middle, right at the door, kinda, you know. And we're gonna have the cockpit, the race simulator cockpit, somewhere around here. And you know, at the same time, we're gonna have our office decks right here around. We're gonna get rid of some of these things, you know. This is our couch. This is gonna be like our chill spot area type of thing. I'm saying this is gonna be our sink. You're gonna know, and this is our water tank, and this is our heater. And you know, this is like our entire space area type of vibe. Naturally, so 4.5 car garage on this side, and that side is a little separate area. I don't think I'm gonna do nothing to the floor yet, because we don't need to. All we need to do is just get it cleaned up, get it mopped out, get it, you know, walls painted. But just look at it. Walls painted, graffiti a little bit. But we will make this work in our favor. I like the red couches. I keep saying that, you know, just clean them up a little bit. They will be perfect. We got outlets all over the place. You know, we have our thermostat heater, which is off, but we don't need it because it's summertime now. And we have our thing. I just love the look of this for some reason. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Basketball court is gonna be right here. I don't think it's big enough for a spray booth or whatever the case may be, but maybe body work. I'm saying, but I don't think it's big enough for a spray booth because I mean, why you can fit my car is nowhere to like move around. I don't know, that's the baby. Which we got a lot of parts for him. And about 25 of these tractor trailers could fit in maybe like 10. And then we got the entire community is gated, which is really, really superb. It's a gated shop. Everything, we got the lawn, you know. I mean, the shop is gonna be like a little man cave, kids friendly. We have a lawn. Whatever we wanna do with that space, nothing. And we're really just gonna use the front. That's it. We ain't got no business using anything else. But make sure you guys go like and subscribe to the channel. And this is just the beginning of the journey. But this is the before. So is the Mustang. The before. Let's try to start the car. It does need an alternator. Well, that's all it needed before I parked it. But I bought a brand new one of this. She cost $200. I also do need a power washer. It sounds so good. A little bit loud. Yeah, and then the next thing I hate it. The tan roof. It says vinyl and fabric. So I tried it. It's thick. So we're gonna do a video on that and see if we can get my roof black like we wanted. It starts. Again, there's not so much we can do here. We need to get paint. We need to get mop, soap, whatever we need. Paint both inside and out. We do need a pressure washer really bad. And then basically that's what it is. Oh, comment down below what color you think we should put outside it. Inside I already voted green. So comment down below what color you think we should put outside in. As I said, inside is gray and it's gonna be graffiti, but just let me know what do you think I should put out, inside in, and before we wrap it up, let's hear the Mustang. Make sure you guys go like, comment, subscribe. Welcome to 21 Lookout.
Alright, it's cool, no worry.
Give me a shout, guys.
Okay.
Tell me if you find one.
Yeah.
This or net? What do you prefer? The chains or the net? I'm a bit of chain guy. I like how the chain sounds. Why not just get the hoop down? I think I need a power drill.
Brendan, jump and just run in case.
Just, yeah. Is there a car you buy? I'm a pest controller as well. I'm not allowed to touch any of this stuff. Yeah. Like, I've been wanting to eradicate a lot of things. But he's stuck with doing it. Yeah, this one's going to be fantastic. I should say, I was going to do a video of the interview, but I was at the back. I was like, stop!
You'll do it.
I was hoping that you'd actually get down on all these squirrels. Wow.
Just come out, just run out there.
I got a whole new setup. I got a broomstick. Let's try to use the broomstick. So we heard that there might be wasps or squirrel, or it might be dangerous birds or fighting birds. And we should be careful of how we take the backboard down. So we use a rake. Are you scared? It's wasps.
Blood clot. Oh shit.
And you know, crazy, I just swept the whole yard like 2 days ago. Nah, like last week. Well, that's pretty much it. Don't think there's not much we can do today. I just came to drop some stuff off. Parts for the car, tools for the shop. This is everything that we can use. But I do want to hear the car start though. So let's do that. Let's give you guys that joy. Start this old piece of shit. So this isn't gonna be just a regular mechanic shop. It's gonna be somewhere where you can chill, vibe, play some ball, play some video games, work on your car, chill. It's gonna be kids friendly. So it's gonna be a club, limited members only, subscription, and 24 access. We have security cameras, it's gated, there's security dogs, everything we need. And this is for mostly enthusiasts, you know, who want to build your car break down on the road, you know, have a shop to bring it to. We're to look out. Work on it, get you back on the road, you come, you vibe, you chill, have a drink, laugh, chat, somewhere we can enjoy. And doesn't cost a lot. No mechanic doesn't get our money. And we get to play some ball after we fix the hole. I do have a lot of tools and a lot of parts. A lot of tools and a lot of parts in it. What's this? This is tools, parts. A lot. What's this? This is my scanner. Yeah, and this, I figure out what it is. It's my air canister. My evap canister, charcoal evap canister. Came out. Okay? Ripped off. This garbage. Garbage. This is the Lookout 21.